Hello viewers, welcome to NIOS class. Basically in this video we are going to discuss about National School of Open Schooling Board, NIOS board, and their various subjects vocational courses for specifically computer, right, academic as well as vocational. Specifically this video will be refer for the subject data entry operation at both of the level academic as well as vocational. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Priyanka Tyagi, having 15 years of teaching experience. I always trying to boost up the knowledge of my students in the subject of computer science code 330. Along with this, I am taking data entry operation at secondary or senior secondary level as well. And including this, I always be taking the vocational computer subjects at NIOS board as well. There are various subjects conducting in the vocational for computer subjects. Let me show you. As you can see here, that at senior secondary level, a student can opt various vocational subject like web designing and development if they want to do something and carry forward their career in the web designing or website development or any web tool development. So there are two core courses conducting in NIOS board for web designing. One is web development theory and another is web development code 660. Apart from this, for getting the different office tool for enhancing the knowledge in their different office tool and data entry operation. So two more subjects are also they can refer computer and office application code 631 and certificate in data entry operation. Certificate in basic computing theory code 608 and certificate in desktop publishing code 613 is conducting at secondary level. So student can also opt it. Now, what is the importance of vocational courses at senior secondary or secondary level? As you can see here, NIS vocational courses provide students with their practical skills that can help them in career and prepare them for entrepreneurship. They can open their own, they can start their own startup, own business. They can apply their knowledge into different fields. And these type of vocational computer subjects are very beneficial to enhance their practical skills. They can use their practical knowledge into the different domain and further professional career. They can use their they will be become a employable personality. They can start their own career in the entrepreneurship. They can well-rounded education by getting the idea about the vocational subject curriculum and their certificate after completing these course. The certificate they will get, and that certificate is recognizable by different government body, different offices. They can apply in their further future for government job as well. And for higher education, they can pursue graduate, post-graduation courses after senior secondary. So this is the benefit of vocational computer subjects. Now you can see here. Senior secondary courses may let first of all will discuss what is NIOS. NIOS is a National Institute of Open Schooling, formerly National Open School at National Level Board. Yes, it's a national level board education in India, and it is controlled and managed by Government of India. It was established by Ministry of Education, right? Formerly, it was Ministry of Human Resource Development of the government in India, 1989. So this is the board, and the certificate is accepted internationally. You can see here there are a lot of countries here: Bahrain, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Kuwait, Singapore, Malaysia, New Zealand, USA, UK. So a lot of country can accept your NIS certificates once you will enroll in this. To whom will get the opportunity, right? So for this NIS board, the student should have 14 plus year of age, right? And right, adult can also be like professional people, the student who are having the gap due to certain personal reason or other reasons, relocation. So any type of person can enroll for there. Minimum age is 14. Vocational courses are also here. There are a lot of life enrichment programs also. If students are very keen in teaching, so they can use DLED course as well. There are a lot of type of ITI, right? Secondary and senior secondary vocational courses are also there for ITI students. And NIOS offer Indian Sign Languages as a subject at secondary level for the children with the hearing impairment deafness since 2021. So this is the opportunity for those students are having, those are having their uh, the problem of hearing. And basically government have taken a very nice step in this era, right, for the work promotion of inclusive education. And this is the recipient of the UN King Sejong Award, right? Due to this step, they were getting the this is a very nice and prestigious award for this inclusive education. Now you can see here examination, how examination is conducting in NIS board. So in NIS board, exams are conducting twice a year. You can see here, twice a year they are conducting, usually April to May and October to November on the dates fixed by NIOS. So in every semester, NIOS have released two date sheet. One is for practical examination and second is for theory examination for both April, May, and October, November session. And you can see here, along with this, students are having the opportunity to give the exam on demand basis. When they are comfortable, they have prepared their subject very well. So on demand basis, they can do. And result of public examination when theory examination will get over. So within 7 weeks after the last date of examination, result will be declared. So almost uh, the schedule throughout the year of the NIS board is a nicely conducting and it's a fix. Now you can see here in this video, basically we are going to discuss the importance of data entry operations subject at both academic and vocational level. So first of all, let's understand what is data entry operation. Basically, data entry operation is the process, how to enter data, how to update or modify the data. Whatever the data have entered, how will you get assured that it is the correct one? Right? There are certainly something to verify the data, computer system. So basically, they are the fundamental task to manage the information, and there are the various department who required the person or the professional who will engage in the data to manage the data in a proper way. So for that, data entry operation subject is very nice because it can perform manually by individual and automated through a software tool. So it is an inclusion of both of the things, manually, right, and the different various software tools are used. So exactly what is the meaning of data entry operator? A data entry operator is a professional or a person responsible for entering, updating, managing data in computer systems or database. So the prime and major task as a data entry operator responsible is to input information accurately, efficiently, ensuring that the data is organized, up to date, and easily retrievable. Whatever the work you have done, that will be easy to use, easy to accessible. The role is crucial in maintaining the integrity and reliability of organized data. Now you can see here what does a data entry operator can do. You can see data entry operator are responsible for input, update, and verifying. And these are the job role. These are the duties of data entry. That means for data entry, quality assurance, whatever the data have entered, that is qualitative. There is no discrepancy, there is no duplicacy kind of problems are there. Easily documents are managed. Timely completion, whatever the target have given, that should be right given. Collaborations also have to be done. So now you can see over here, there are a lot of things a data entry operator person can do to ensure the health of the data. Now you can see here, Data entry as a data entry operator, as a professional, what type of skills you should have to maintain in yourself. So a data entry operator requires a specific set of skills efficiently and accurately input the data. This is the prime requirement. This is the prime criteria as a data entry operator. Otherwise, these are the quality point. As a data entry operator, you should have to maintain what is typing speed and accuracy. You have to input the data in a faster way and in accurate. Attention to details, whatever the data is there, you have to be very attentive regarding that. Time management, timely, you have to manage everything. Organizational skills. Obviously, there are a lot of types of responsibility as a data entry operator having. So you have to organize everything in a very systematic manner in a very limited time. Computer literacy is also maintained. Basic mathematical skills are there. Communication skills is also must, and data security awareness is also must. Problem solving skills means whatever the problem is occurred inside the data or any type of query is occurred. So as a data entry operator, you have to solve it, right? Rather than performing as a problem creator, you have to become working as a problem solver. Adaptability, that means as a data entry operator, the environment is not fixed. In the might be in the different environment you have to work, so you have to adapt that environment quickly and start doing your work in a very efficient manner. So adaptability is also a concern point. Multitasking, yes. As a data entry operator, if you are working with these software tools in a computer, so definitely you can't do same kind of task every time. No, data is a dynamic in nature. It can be in every form of thing. So what do you need to do? You just have to perform a multitasking things in that. Team collaboration. Obviously, as a data entry operator, you are working in a team. There are a lot of employees and your subordinates are working together. So you have to take the responsibility of your every uh, partner in your team very responsibly, and team collaboration is a very good feature and very good thing about a data entry operator's skills. Oriented means whatever the data you have to enter or manage, the nature of the data, the authenticity of the data, the verification of the data, you have to ensure. Quality control, obviously, whatever the data you have maintained and organized, that should be very qualitative. Knowledge of data entry tools. Being a data entry operator, the software knowledge is must according to your working criteria. Otherwise, there is no use for the data entry operator skills development. Numerical skills are also, because sometime we need a data that contains various types of numerical calculations. So as a data entry operator, numerical skills are also very important. Now you can see over here the thing, what is going to be happen. Careers in data entry operator field. When you will opt this subject and when you will carry forward your career. So what are the requirement of data entry operator field? So you can see here, data entry is required everywhere. In scientific organization, in government, in non-government, in semi-government, everywhere is data. Data is everywhere. In nowadays, you know that there are so many things we are managing over here, right? Healthcare, medicines and healthcare industry usually require data entry person to manage patients' informations, billing, in inventory, planning, and logistics. Administration, office job may require professional with knowledge of data entry. Accounting and finance, in financial institutions, the function of data entries are related to text preparation, auditing, corporate finance, payroll, and accounts payable. Government is what local, state, federal governments usually hire data entry to handle the entry of a specific information. Retail and sales, you can see data entry operator are responsible for entering inventory information, online sales, logistic in retail and sales. Some companies allow their operator to work from home. And obviously, this is a very nice era in the professionals life that comfortably they can do the remote job anywhere they can do. The working are even also very flexible for the people who are doing work from home, and data entry operator can be of part-time, freelance, or temporary employment opportunity is also there. You can pick up this career as a part-time or full-time. That is up to you. Now you can see here what is the future if you will learn data entry operation. The future of data entry operation is in demand across many industry because every time data is required, every time the management of data is required. So there are a lot of opportunity for career advancement. Data entry is required in many industry, as I have told you already, including healthcare, finance, entertainment, e-commerce, everywhere, scientific organization, everywhere is data. In organized way, you have to organize. Data entry operator are valuable asset for companies because they help streamline data. And that job, who can opt? Data entry operator. Now, in NIOS board curriculum, this is the subject on the academic level, right, are going to be teach and are conducting. So if I am talking about the syllabus of NIOS board, so as you can see here, there is a 10 chapters, basics of computer, operating system, basics of word processing, formatting, mail merge, basics of a spreadsheet, formatting of spreadsheet, functions, chart, right? Out of these 10 chapters, 4 chapters are the part of your TMA. Basically, in academic, what you need to do, first you need to submit your TMA. There is a proper timeline, right, is given when you will enroll the subject, right? Tutors, your teachers, your coaching teachers will provide you the information regarding. And here we are providing to you this, if you will join the course in the NIOS class, so we are providing to you a proper solution of TMA. By the help of this TMA, you can take the help, you can write the answers, you can solve your TMA in a very easy manner and you can submit it. So here you can see that there are 4 chapters which are the part of your TME. They are not the part of your public examination. Usually we are conducting the explanation of all the chapters here because all the 10 chapters are the part of your practical examination. After that, there are the PCP sessions are going to be handled. So in the PCP sessions, you can see here proper explanation of the practicals and practical sessions we are conducting here. Secondly, there are the practical file you need to prepare as a learner of this subject. And if I'm talking about practical files, so proper solution of the practical file we are providing to you. By that PDF, you can take the help and you can design your own practical file. And after your PCP sessions, there are the 5 PCP session, which is the part of your practical as well. They are conducting usually in your study center. So you can see over here, these PCP sessions are conducting in your study center. They are having the 50% weightage of your total marks of practical examination. And there is a last PCP is also done. That is your main practical examination, which will be having also the 50% marking criteria. And everything we are doing in our classes, like practical examination questions practice, previous year questions practice, thoroughly we are doing here so that you will be prepared at every panel. Last but not least, the public examination will held, which contains not your full syllabus. The 60% syllabus has been covered. You can see here chapter number 1, chapter number 4, 5, and chapter number 8, 9, 10 will be the part of your public examination. Proper PYQ series sessions we are providing to you. So for the revision of previous year questions, they are very helpful. Previous year question paper will gives you the idea how paper will come, how can we attend the paper in a very smarter way. So everything we are managing here in our classes. So this is the syllabus of your data entry operations subject code 336. Let me show you the weightage of objective. You can see here data entry operation code 336 is the subject conducting at senior secondary level. Maximum marks for theory examination is 40. And these are the chapter wise weightage. Duration of the examination is maximum 2 hours. Now, knowledge based question will be of 8 marks. Understanding based question will be of 24 marks. And application based question will be of, right, 8 marks. So total 40 marks paper is this. Now you can see over here weightage of type of question according to your latest sample paper, which NIOS have introduced in the year of 2023. So this is the question of weightage. Before this pattern of the paper, what is going to be happen? Whatever the paper is coming, that paper contain only 6 to 8 questions, very limited question. But this question paper contains total number of question 24. Maximum marks of the paper is 40. Objective type questions are total 17 in number. 1 mark questions are of 7. 2 marks question are of 3. And 3 marks, type 3 is 1 marks question again one type. In which form objective question will come? In the form of fill-ups, fill in the blanks, in the form of match the columns, in the form of paragraph or case-based question. This is a latest pattern different boards are following, as you know that. One word questions, true false based question. Now last but not least, your complete paper is dividing into 2 parts, section A and section B. You can see over here, section A is totally objective, section B is totally subjective. 3 variety of questions are coming in subjective: very short, short answer and long answer. Very short questions are of 2 type, right? Short answer question are in number 4, and long answer question are 1. And question will have internal choice. The question which is having the single hash having 1 internal choice, question having the 2 hash. That means short answer question having the choice in 2 questions, and long answer question having the 1 question choice. As you can see here, this is only 1 question. So this is the pattern or weightage. Now these are the, as I have told you, there are the 6 chapter, which is the part of your public examination, means theory, main theory examination. So this is the marks weightage. Lesson number 1 will be of 9 marks. Lesson number 4 will be of 12 marks. You can see here. For the practical knowledge, it is a very nice chapter. Chapter number 5, meal merge, having 6 marks question. Formula, function and chart will be of 5 marks. Creating presentation will be of 1 mark. And lesson number 10 will be of 7 marks. And this is the marking criteria. Total 40 marks paper is this. Now you can see over here, difficulty level of question paper. Obviously, examiner have to maintain the difficulty level, average or easy level in the question paper. And not in the DEO, in every subject paper, as a examiner, we have to set the level of the paper, because every type of student are sitting in the examination. So difficulty level questions are of 8 marks, average question are of 20 marks, easy questions are of 12 marks. So as you can see over here, this is the pattern of the paper of 336 that I have already discussed with you. Maximum duration of the exam is 2 hours. Maximum marks is of 40. This question paper consists of 24 questions in all. All questions are compulsory. Marks are given against each question. Now you can see here section E consists 2 type of question, 1 to 7 and 8 to 7. 1 to 7 carry 1 mark. 8 to 7, question number 8 to 10, 2 marks with 2 sub part of 1 marks each. Question basically in this era, 8 to 10 having the question of assertion and reason based question. This is also a new type of questions which is logically establish your knowledge. Question number 1 to 70 carry 1 marks each. Attempt these questions as per the instruction. Now you can see here section B, as I have told you, totally subjective. Now there are the question from 18 to 24. 18 to 19 means first 2 questions are of 2 marks, which is under the category of very short questions. Question number 20 to 23 is of short answer type question carrying 3 marks. Now you can see here question number 24. Long answer type question carrying 4 marks each to be answered, 80 to 120. This is the length. For 2 marks question, 30 to 50 words. If I'll count the number of words in line, so minimum 3 line, maximum 4, 4.5, 5 lines. 5 to 8 line question. Usually in the subject of computer, so maximum questions are logical, not lengthy. It is not a theory subject, as you know that it's a practical based subject. Long answer 18 to 120. And you can see here, if you will write the answer minimum in 6 to 7 line or maximum 10 to 11 line. So this answer will going to be factfully. There are a lot of internal choice I have given providing. You can see over here. Now certificate of in data entry operation code 632. This is the subject, right, which is conducting at vocational level for senior secondary student. What is the code of the subject 632? You can grab the opportunity. This is a very simple, and first of all, the student can pick up both of the subject together, code 336 and code 632. What is the benefit to opt about? With a very with a very small smart work, you can score very well. I am providing the common content here. Later on, I will provide you the comparison. So in code 632, as you can see here, total 13 chapters are there, right? And activities, in activity, basically practical questions exercise have given, which is the part. Let me tell you one thing. The way of examination is quite different as compared to your academic. In academic, a student have to submit TMA, right? They have to carry forward practical file. They have to given 5 PCP session, and attendance of 5 PCP session is compulsory. But in vocational, there is no issue of TMA and PCP sessions. Only practical exam and theory examination you have to provide it. Okay, these two exam you need to attempt in one go, one time practical, one time theory. For practical, you need to maintain practical file. If you will join the course in NIOS class, we are providing to you everything. The chapter explanation, practical file, right? Theory assignments, everything we will help you out. Here we are practicing lot of questions, previous year questions, the topic relevant practical questions. So definitely you will be prepared for your exam. Now let me tell you how many marks practical examination are allotted maximum and how many marks are allotted for theory examination. So this is the bifurcation of your practical examination. In this subject, vocational certificates in data entry operation code 632, total marks, 70 marks practical you will be having. The duration of practical examination is 3 hours, including for time for Viva. In code 336, in code data entry operation 336, what is the practical marks? 60 marks, right? And maximum duration of the practical is about to be 2 hours. Okay. And as I have told you in 336, what you need to do? You have to give 5 PCP session plus last your practical examination, right? So this is the thing you need to do. But in this, in one go, you have to give only one practical examination, which is maximum of 70 marks. Duration of the examination is 3 hours, including your Viva. Now, what is Viva? Viva is conducting in your 336 practical or 632 practical both. So Viva is basically oral questioning round. Invigilator can ask the question from anywhere. Whatever the practical you have done in your computer system on the day of a practical examination, or your um practical file, practical, they can ask anything. Your subject knowledge, anything they can ask, right? So we are providing you the Viva question practice. Everything we are providing to you here in the NIOS classes. Now you can see over here, this is the sample paper for certificate in data entry operation vocational. You know that course code is 632. There is a 30 marks paper is there because 70 marks practical paper, practical examination and 30 for theory examination. The duration of the examination is 2 hour, And these are the questions. Number of question is total 11, right? Question number 1 to 5 are, you can see here, question number 1, expand the following term. There is a shortcut. Define the following term, write the short notes. Describe the following briefly, write the short notes, differentiate between. These are the application based questions. Suppose abcd@hotmail.com is your email address. Write the steps to do the following. Send a mail to your friend with email address, this one, in the BCC format. So everything we will be doing in this. Check the mailbox, email, sending reports. So these steps we need to do here. Now you can see here, this is the practical based question related to your Excel software. So when will chapter explanation are going to be conducting, we will discuss. So nowadays, on the basis of this sample paper, the paper are coming under this subject. If you will take the course from here, we have discussed the previous year question paper as well. Important examination question we have discussed also, right, with proper solution. Question number 8, you can see here again step writing question. You have to add a new slide. Following text is providing, right? So you can see these are the application based, means practical based question. Table have given, and on the basis of this table, questions are here, and you have to put up the answer. So total 11 questions are giving here. This is the pattern of your sample paper. Now you can see here syllabus difference between two subjects. So as you can see here, there are total 10 chapter in 336. These all 10 chapters are including, you can see over here. In fact, you can compare. Chapter number 1, basics of computer, is also here. Chapter number 2, operating system, is also here. You can see basics of word processing software is also here, right? Chapter number 4, formatting documents, is also here. Chapter number 5, mail merge, is also here. Basics of a spreadsheet is also here, and formatting worksheet is also here. You can see chapter number 8, formula and formatting worksheet, formula functions and chart, right? Now you can see here chapter number 12 is creating present is similar like your 336, code 336 of 632, and chapter number 13, introduction to internet, is also similar like your chapter number 10. There are only 3 chapters which are different here. Chapter number 9, 10, and 11. They are the chapter which is related to the concept of database, into which we are going to learn a very important tool of Microsoft Office suite, that is MS Access. It is a quite interesting chapter, not a difficult one, right? Logical chapter is there. Efficiently, we can do it and enhance our knowledge in the database software tool as well. So only this is the difference. What is the difference in 336? As I have told you, activity wise, first you need to submit TMA, right? There is no TMA. You have to attempt PCP sessions, okay, for 336 because it is a part of academic, but there is no issue of PCP sessions for vocational examination. Right. This is not for this subject only. For all vocational computer subject, there is no issue for TMA. There is no issue for PCP examination. And after PCP examination, you have to give practical examination here, then theory examination. Right. Same thing will be happen here in one go. There is a one practical examination of 70 marks and one theory exam of what? 30 marks. Practical file you have to prepare in both of the subject, 336 and 632. Now, next, you can see over here. So after your 12th, which type of computer courses you can opt, right, for your further career to enhance your career? So diploma courses you can opt, degree courses you can opt, certification courses you can opt to enhance your knowledge, right? So these are the certain soft popular courses, diploma courses: diploma in computer science, diploma in computer application, diploma in computer engineering, diploma in IT, diploma in computer programming, diploma in computer science and engineering as well. So now you can see here popular certificate computer courses as I have shown you in the starting. So there are the two vocational courses for web designing you can opt, and you can enhance your career further. Cyber security courses in 2025 is in boom. If you will learn computer science code 330 from here, so in your further future you can opt any programming language. In fact, with web designing now you can pick up any programming language. Graphic designing you can learn. Nowadays, data science, machine learning, data analytics, these jobs are in boom. You can pick up any professional course for enhancing your tele certificate. You can join any account department, VFX, animation courses. You can apply, you can join any entertainment firm, UI and UX designing. So for software designing, gaming software designing. So many types of professional software certificates are going on after 12. So you will be having lot of opportunity if you will opt all the if you will opt any of the vocational computer subject or academic computer subject in your 12th standard. Okay. So you can see web designing certificate, right? Programming language, which type of programming language? So you can see here that I have already telling to you tele certificate, cyber security, data analytics, professional certificate in data science, VFX, graphics designing, UI, UX, machine learning certificates you can opt. And these languages are in boom: Python, R, Java certificate. So now you can see here job oriented computer degree courses after 12. You can see, right? Online BCA program, cyber security, data entry, web designing, Adobe Photoshop, data science online courses, ethical hacking, digital marketing, now in boom, big data analytics, software development, networking, VFX animation, UI, UX, computer hardware maintenance, diploma in IT, graphic designing, you can opt. Now, courses after 12th NIOS board, if you will complete the 12th grade from NIOS and you will pursue any vocational education course, paramedical or other. So you can enhance your computer skills, courses on the basis of computing, office tool, desktop publishing, web designing and development, you can opt. Paramedical department you can join after doing the computer courses from NIOS, right? In which you can opt any type of medical, right? Business, you can work as a business administration. You can take the admission in the BBA course. Later on, you can join MBA course, and you can enhance your up skills in your other management companies. Animation, you can pursue Bachelor of Science in Animation, which is a 3-year undergraduate degree program. It is a total degree program. You will be getting a proper degree, and later on, you can apply in the so many types of firms. So NIS courses are considerable equivalent to other recognized boards like CBSE, ICSC. There are a lot of boards, state board, central board. So NIS boards certificates and mark sheets are also, right, recognizable for the higher studies in Indian universities. This is all right, totally acceptable. So what we are offering as a part of an iOS class being a mentor, so we can assist in the enrollment, we can complete the, right, we can give you the complete preparation of the examination by the classes, revision sessions, mock test, weekly test we are providing to you, previous year question paper discussion we are providing, total PYQ series we are conducting in our batches. We will help you out in the practical examination, in the PCP sessions examination, solutions, everything, TMA writing we are providing to you, right? So this is all about this. If you will interested, right, you can join. Thank you.